Routine maintenance is important because it prevents any major catastrophe from happening that could be more expensive. Routine maintenance is typically cheaper than ultimately repairing whatever we're talking about. Preventative maintenance will save you money in the long run.
We do engine air filters and cabin air filters. Usually at cabin air filters, they last about 22,000 miles. Engine air filters, they last about 30,000 miles. We change them because engine air filters, they can affect your performance in your vehicle.
Routine maintenance is we're talking about changing the brakes before they need to be changed. We're talking about flushing your transmission before the fluid gets too bad. We're talking about maintaining all the other fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, and whatnot before they need to be changed. Changing them out before they actually go bad is what we consider preventative maintenance.
Your car may need maintenance is due to your lights on the dash, or like let's say you hear something from your car engine, or like you hear your brakes squeaking. That might need some maintenance done to it.
Cabin air filters, if you notice a musty smell, in the morning time when you start your car, it's coming from the cabin air filter. The reason why we change the cabin air filters is because it filters out all the allergens and pollens in the air, prevents you from, inhaling all that stuff. So
you should come to service once a year or every 5,000 miles.